Hey, when it's time to go to bed and the dog don't want to go to bed, the dog said, hell no. To the dog, no, no.
Come on, baby.
My name ain't Bear tonight.
You stop looking at me like I'm stupid, Bear. Come on. Bear. Yeah, I'm calling you. Come on, dog. Come on. Bear, you looking at me like I ain't. What? Bear. Put your ears down. Come on, Bear. Bear. You literally just looking at me like I ain't moving. Bear.
Nope, he ain't going nowhere. He ain't moving. He said, you got the wrong one. He said, this is my bed.
Bear.
Let me scratch real quick. Let me think about this. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me think about this.
Bear. Come on, Bear. Why did you give me a double look? Yeah, I ain't got time. Stop acting like you got an itch.
He gonna tell me. He gonna tell me what I got. I got an itch.
I need to want to go in there. You gotta go in there.
You not fully housebroken yet.
You almost did, but not yet. Come on. I hate that.
He said, what the hell? Look how he looking. He said, a flag on the motherfucking plate. Flag on the motherfucking plate, dog. What are you doing? Y'all see the balls? He said, no, no, no. He gonna start whining in a minute. As soon as we walk away, he gonna start whining. And I know y'all can't not even see this.
He just tore this all up.
He tore it all up.
I can't even fix it.
It's so crazy. He tore it all up. The whole thing in the front is tore all up. We had to push it up against the wall and block it with the carpet cleaner and the vacuum cleaner, just so he can't get out. That's a shame. We got a smart dog.
I'll wake up and take you out early. Soon he see this light cut on, he like, oh yeah.
He be knowing. Say good night, night.